Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Binance Airdrop. This is a new opBNB layer 2 solution. So this is going to compete with another layer 2 that are in the market, and Binance is one of the huge companies on the crypto space. So we are going to cover all what you need to do for this possible airdrop. So opBNB is a testnet network that is already launched for you to test. So I will tell you exactly how you can do this step by step so you don't complicate the stuff yourself. I already tried, I already did the research for you. So in this video we go step by step on how you can apply to this opBNB testnet and maybe get one of the biggest airdrops on the year. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, this is the coverage of opBNB testnet network. This is a new layer 2 chain called opBNB and has already been launched, the testnet version. This is a product and a project from Binance. And Binance is sitting on a gold mine, and early adopters could score big with their potential airdrop. opBNB, an ABM blockchain built on Optimism, which aims to solve scalability issues of Binance Smart Chain. opBNB was recently launched in testnet, and the mainnet is scheduled to launch in Q3 of 2023, so we are not so much time apart from that date. And you need to remember that in 2017, Binance did an airdrop of BNB tokens that now are worth in 250 and was around 400 or more. I don't remember the all-time high, but they did an airdrop of their token, the native token on the Binance Smart Chain. And in 2017, Binance was really just starting with the rest of the crypto market. So for this layer 2, we may expect a big airdrop, even if at this point they are denying a possible airdrop, we don't know. But of course, we are speculating on the airdrops, not guarantees, guys. But this is testnet, so you don't really need to spend much on this, only to mint some NFTs. You are going to see it in the step by step. So remember, if you want to apply to more airdrops, I have my video section also at cryptocurrencystate.net. You are going to find everything there. And if you are looking for some particular project or airdrop, you just can search it here. And you will find not only the specific airdrops to do, like this Zksync era, where we cover mainnet, testnet, light on everything that you need to for the airdrop, but also related projects. For example, you can use the creator land NFTs that is running on Zksync, and here you have some big tips for your airdrop on Zksync, so many things related to that. You just search it here on my website. And if you want to really make money with airdrops, I recommend you to check my Discord. This is a private Discord, a subscription, and also I launched an application this year where you can apply easily to all my airdrops and also create your custom airdrops if you are using other sources. And then you will have everything organized in my app with many wallets or one wallet, doesn't matter. And you are going to apply easily to all those airdrops and keeping track of your progress on what you did, what is missing, etc. Now let's go to the step by step of this tutorial. So first of all, follow them on Twitter and Discord. More information is going to be launched there. So you have the Twitter of Binance, and then you have the Twitter of BNB Chain Devs, where you are going to get more information about opBNB. And here you have the BNB Chain Discord, where you are going to also have information about this. So step 2 is we need to add BNB testnet. If you don't have it, we go here to this link on Chainlist, and you connect your wallet and you click to add to MetaMask. That will make that you can change your network into Binance Smart Chain. So we go here, clicking include testnets, so connect the wallet. If you don't have it, it's going to ask you to allow to add the network to your MetaMask, accept that and switch to the network. So now you are here on your testnet. In my case, I already have tokens here and I already have the network, so it's not the first time that I have Binance testnet. But if it's your first time, now we go and see how you get your testnet tokens. So step 2 is that you need to request testnet tokens. There's two options that you can do, step 3 and 4. Step 3 is that you can use the faucet of QuickNote and use your Binance Smart Chain Testnet to get it. So you just go to the link there. Remember, you need to connect here. I am using MetaMask, and I will ask Binance Smart Chain Tokens, BNB tokens, to this address. So click there, and you can claim more if you tweet about this, but if not, you can just click on this button. You will receive a little less, but you are going to be able to get tokens. I already claimed tokens, so I need to wait. You can do it only one time per day. The other option, the step 4, is that you can also ask Faucet Tokens in the Discord. So here I put the exactly Discord channel that you need to go. This is the testnet Faucet. What you need to do is write /Faucet space and put your address. And then you are going to be able to request tokens. And you also can do this only one per time. Here in the Faucet of the BNB chain Discord, you are going to get more tokens than in the other step 3. After you get tokens, we go to step 5, which is we need to bridge these testnet tokens on the BNB chain into the new opBNB chain. So to do that, we use the official link, which is the opBNB testnet bridge that is going to send you here. Here we are going to connect the wallet, and we are going to be in the BNB testnet right now. So from here, I'm going to send 0.01. Click on deposit. After you do the deposit, you are going to have funds on the opBNB testnet. So that is going to be step 5. So step 6 is now let's add opBNB network itself and withdraw some amount from there. So we click on withdraw, we enter any amount and click switch to opBNB testnet. And it's going to open the MetaMask window when we confirm the addition of the network. And we withdraw any amount from there. So on the same opBNB bridge, we go to withdraw and we click here on switch to opBNB. So this is going to pop up the switch of the network if you don't have it. If you already have it, like in my case, you just click on switch the network. And after you switch the network, you can see we are from the opBNB. I don't have tokens right now because I already spent it. But here you will put the amount and you will be doing the reverse. This time you're going to send from opBNB testnet into the BNB Smart Chain testnet. So doing that, you already use it, the bridge. That is mainly what we have at this point. So eventually we are going to have applications where we are going to be able to test the apps. In order to keep an eye on that, just remember to follow the social medias, or you can subscribe to my Discord. We are going to cover this in detail. So go to my Discord here, cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. This is a private Discord where we manage high level of information about different airdrops, also BRC20 airdrops and ecosystem, meme coins, crypto portfolios in general, and many more stuff. And I have an application. If you are new in airdrops, this app is going to save your life, man, because here you can apply easily and in an organized way to all my airdrops. If you are doing airdrops on an Excel file, just to keep track, you are going to be loose very soon. So now that we interact with the bridge, let's go to step 7, which is we need to claim some NFT on the BNB Mainnet. You will need some small amount of BNB to be able to claim this. So let's go to the link here. This is on Zksync bridge, so we are going to connect with MetaMask, but using the BNB Mainnet this time. So remember, you will need to pay gas fees. You are going to need a little of BNB. And after you are connected here, just click on the request, move to the mainnet, and you are going to need to pay the fees, which is 8 cents. And you can see, congratulations, you already received your NFT on BNB chain. So this is the mainnet of BNB. So what we need to do now is we go to the step 8, which is bridge your NFT into the opBNB network. So we are going to send this NFT from BNB mainnet into the new testnet. We need to hit on Zksync bridge NFT from this link. We are going to be in the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Import your NFT, select opBNB network as receiver, approve the confirmation and claim with the other chain again. So from here we just go to Zksync bridge, we go to this section. We are here in mainnet on BNB chain. So let's click and confirm import. Let's click on next. So we are going to import that NFT. The receiver blockchain here is opBNB. We click next. and we click approve is step 1, so approve that. It's going to cost 4 cents the transaction of the approval. Step 2, transfer, click on transfer, confirm the transaction too, and this could take you like 5 minutes until the Zksync bridge is processed, already waiting the completion of the block confirmations. Now that finished, so we click on claim. This is going to send us to switch into opBNB testnet, switch the network, and now we are claiming, and after the claim you are already done. So we already did the step 8, which is bridging the NFT from the mainnet into the opBNB network. Remember to do that, you already have, because we did it before. We bridged some BNB into opBNB, because for that transaction, the claim of your NFT, you are going to need to pay it on opBNB. So now we go to step 9. Why we did those NFT stuff is because there are some Galxe tasks that you can do. So we can go now and claim those points. We can claim the opBNB NFT mint, and we can claim the opBNB NFT cross-chain. So here are the two links for the Polkadot Galxe, where are these two campaigns. There is nothing guaranteed that these NFTs are actually going to help us with the airdrop of the opBNB, but because we already interact, we can go here and claim them. So for this, you need to be on the BNB chain. So we are going to be able to verify here. You need to retweet this, and you can verify this, the opBNB NFT, and you can have here the opBNB NFT mint. So with this, you can claim these points and also get these NFTs just in case that they're worth something for the airdrop. There are not much more things to do, guys, for opBNB right now. This is super new. They launched in the testnet just a few days ago. So for now, keep an eye on the different social channels that they have. And I'm going to do an update video in the near future when we can test more about this. So guys, that will be all for this video. This is the opBNB testnet network. Remember to check my subscriptions, my app, and my Discord. More videos for more airdrops are here on my website or the YouTube channel. And that will be all for that, guys. Remember, Binance Airdrop, opBNB layer 2, nothing is confirmed, but if they do an airdrop, it's going to be big. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me at Twitter, because I post many things there that are only on my Twitter, at CryptoCState. It's appearing right now, CryptoCState in Twitter. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks and bye.